Hello everybody and welcome to this Flutter video tutorial. In this video tutorial, you will learn about the Tween animation. As you see on the screen, I prepared a simple app for the Tween animation. So let's get started with Tween animation. So as you can see, I have a container inside the body. Let's go inside the body and bring something to our screen and apply animation on that. As a child of this container, I create a column which has children inside. Inside its children, let's bring an icon to apply animation on that. So by typing icons dot what kind of icons we want. I want to bring a gift card. So we can give it a size of 100, can give it a colors dot indigo. So let's save it. Now as you can see, we have our gift icon at the top left corner. So how we can bring it at the center? By wrapping our column inside the center widget. So now let's save it again. As you can see, now we have our card icon at the center top, but as we know, column has main axis alignment dot center, that we can bring everything at the center to less, and now our icons at the center of our screen. So how we can apply animation on that? By typing Tween Animation Builder. What it takes a tween and a duration, that how long it should animate, and a builder. So let's start with tween. Tween has two more properties. One is beginning, and we have to pass a number, a double number, for example 100, and it takes an end. When we are working with animation, it starts from somewhere, which is beginning, and also end somewhere. So I'm gonna give it the end value of tween. Also we can give the double here, and the duration, let's bring it down. The duration takes duration. Inside duration we can pass days, hours, seconds. So I'm gonna take second and animate my icon for 3 seconds. And also we have a builder here. Now what the builder takes? Builder property takes a builder context. As we can see, required widget functions, builder build context, and a double value, and also widget. So let's give it a build context and a dynamic value, and also a widget child. So inside the body we can bring our icon to animate. Control X and Control V that here, and put a semicolon at the end, and what it has a null. So how you can get rid of this error? You can put a question mark in here. Now the error has gone. Let's put a comma here, and let's change the value of size to the value. And now let's put the return here, return, and the error has gone from here. Let's change the value from 20 to 100 and save it again. Let's reload it. Let's add another property also, which is called curved. The curves has many kinds of animation, so you can choose bouncing or linear or any other. So let's choose the linear for now, and let's save it. Now you can see the animation start from 20 and end to 200. So let's bring a text also with our gift icon, which is animated, and I prepared this text, a special gift, and I give a style and color is blue, and the font size 30, and the font weight for that is bold. So let's save it again and let's run. Now you can see with our animating icons, we have also our text below that. So let's change the icon animation to another one, like bounce, bounce in, bounce out. Let's choose the bounce in. It's gonna restart. Now you can see it's bouncing. So let's apply animation to our text also. So let's wrap our text widget with another widget called animated opacity. So what the animated opacity text, we can give it a duration of 2 seconds and also give it opacity of num opacity. What's num opacity? We are gonna create in here, we are gonna create the num opacity with the type of double. For now we give it a 0 value. There you go, the error has gone, and when the animated should start, after the animation of the icons finished, at the end of this the text should animate. So another property which Tween Animation has is on end. When this animation ends, then we give a number to our opacity. Num opacity is equal to 1. So now we initialize our opacity with 1. So we need to wrap this with set stat because the number is changing. So let's cut our opacity num and put it inside our set stat. So let's put it inside the body of set stat, and now a semicolon at the end of this. So let's see, restart. Now it is bouncing the icon. After it finished, then our special gift from opacity 0 goes to opacity 1. So guys, this is it about the Tween Animation. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you guys on the next one.